Walmart plans to hire 20,000 new employees to help keep merchandise moving ahead of the anticipated holiday shopping rush. Will the move pay off for investors? Here to talk about that move and some other stocks to watch, Stephanie Link, Hightower Chief Investment Strategist, Portfolio Manager, CNBC contributor. One of the things that they told me you want to talk about was the holiday season. September 1st. It's September 1st. Is that the delineate? It might be the delineating date, right? It's not even Labor Day. It's September 1st, holiday season. Let's get ready. What do you want? What can I get you? What's on your list for this year? What are you getting me?
That's a surprise. We have a couple months to go. Anyhow, look, I think in fact, these companies are all going to be hiring people, especially on the retail side, because you've got to get ready for Christmas season, holiday season. But this is what every company is trying to deal with, Joe. This is not just Walmart. This is not just retail in general. And recall, last year at this time, Walmart also increased people by 20,000 in their e-commerce business. The question I have is, can they find these people? And they're going to have to pay up. And they did indicate they're going to increase wages by about 34%. That's huge. And this is on the heels of them raising prices in February, wages in February. So I guess my question is, what is this going to do to margins? They're going to have to raise price. The whole entire retail landscape, they're all raising price. TJX said that they're going to raise price, and that's an off-price retailer, right? So I think it's going to be very interesting to see the response from the consumer. So it's worth watching.
Well, what about the consumer? And so Delta's around, I know that, but it seems a little bit different. People are out much more than last year. They've got, stocks at all-time highs. Housing prices are at all-time highs. The unemployment rates come back down to the fives. There's been a lot of stimulus checks. Everybody's made money on GameStop. So shouldn't this be a big Christmas season?
I would think so. I know everyone is a little stressed out about the University of Michigan sentiment numbers and the confidence numbers from yesterday. But if you look at some of the weekly data, it shows the consumer is just fine. And to your point, yes, people feel better. People want to get out. Savings rate is almost 10%. Historically, it's been 5%. So there's money to be had. There's pent-up demand to be had. So I like the consumer very much. As I mentioned before, I own TJX. I love that story. It's only up about 6% on the year. And it is the ultimate reopen. Everybody wants a treasure hunt experience at Marmaxx, right? And then they also have the housing exposure. So I think you can pick and choose. That's on the retail side. But I own a whole heck of a lot of the reopen names, too, like a Wynn Resorts, like a Match.com, those kinds of things, because I do think those stocks offer real value here. They've lagged tremendously, especially since the May timeframe.